We guide you through how to clean your iPhone storage. First, open Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage to see exactly what's using your storage. Wait a few seconds for the storage recommendations to load, then follow Apple's suggestions like offload unused apps, which removes apps you don't use while keeping their data. Next, delete apps you no longer need, clear large attachments and messages, and remove old photos and videos you don't want, making sure to empty the recently deleted album afterwards to reclaim the space. If your Photos app is taking up too much storage, enable Optimize iPhone storage in Settings. Photos to keep smaller versions on your device while storing full resolution copies in iCloud. You can also review downloaded music, podcasts, and streaming content to delete files you are no longer using. And finally, restart your iPhone so the system refreshes its storage usage. That's all it takes to clean iPhone storage and improve available space.